Sobrang yaman mo, no? Ito,
Tokyo Station. Shinkansen Station. Asan tayo papunta? Ayun yung Imperial Palace. Here? Siguro. May mga painting pa sila, no?
It's the
Otemon Gate.
Water is like a charm to protect the wooden arches. Yes, river water is really common. Showing the name of this rock.
So, possibly yung moat nila ay part of the dagat. Kasi
Baka,
reclaimed area, di ba? The colors are changing. Nilalamig na ang uwak. Hindi mo na video nyo nag-hawk siya.
Hindi.
Oh, yeah.
Tree for decorating New Year's Day.
Yeah.
So we put some decoration at the gate of the house, and because pine tree is crowning ceremony, something like that.
Oh, okay, so you still do those stuff here.
Yeah, yeah. So 6 years ago, we are celebrating a new emperor, and at that time we had a great ceremony in this area. And there are special buildings at that time for only 1 week for celebration.
Oh, so
But
they
there, yeah,
fix it up and
yeah,
They
sit
put
up.
a building here
Yeah,
for 1 week.
for 1 week. But they were gone. So they also the new emperor and the empress consider a lot about the. If we want to welcome the princess, the women's emperor, we have to change the law of Japan. That's kind of argument. Yeah, yeah. Here now, and we are seeing the remains of castle over there.
is that original or is it stone?
The stone castle, stone walls is original one. It's torn down, so some of them it was reconstructed. I think all of the people from the world to introduce Japanese culture. The culture is developed for over 1,000 years. Tea was introduced to Japan by one monk.
They use kimchi and stuff. Orange, di ba? Sa ano? Yung mas common, baka Korean variant yung mas common.
Baka.
Yung flat. Oh yeah, pomelo.
Pomelo.
because there were no high buildings here, and no pollution. Air pollution, so people could see. I can't believe it anymore. And this one is the
Pine trees. Cherry blossom.
Now we can see the buildings here. This is called Obansho. Obansho means big checkpoint. So this is actually third checkpoint to get into the castle. So in this building, highest ranking samurai officers were on duty. 5 days a week.
24 hours?
24 hours.
5 days.
365 days.
So they did
So from Edo period, the Japanese was
Zebra the guard? Or Zebra the guard? Or
But ninja was actually a little bit different from what you see in the movie or the anime. Sorry. Update.
In-allergy dahil sa oyster. Pero nawala. Nawala na.
Hindi, lumaki siya.
Kumalat pero hindi na siya makapal.
Yeah. 3:20.
Yeah, 1 hour sakto.
Attend ka naman, formal event, pero mag-train ka, no?
Okay lang.
Kasi syempre kahit mayaman, naka public transport.
Oo. Sobrang haba nung nilakad natin. Oo. May escalator naman. Lamig ah. Lakas pala ng ulan.
Perfect, di ba? Ganda pa ng background music. Dryer nga, yun nga. Ako kung ito lang yung sasalak.
Linis ng shoes dahil nabasa sa ulan. Dryer. $100.
Alam mo,
Hindi pa.
mga Castella bread dito. Pinipilahan siya. Tapos ito, meron silang matcha flavor Castella. Yung binibili natin, pinapanisan tayo.
Ah, talaga?
French cake.
Ah,
Castella
okay.
tama. Pag may gusto natin, bili tayong gano'n, no?
May alam na ako mabibilan nun.
Saan?
Instagram.
Oh, akala ko dito. Sa bagay, bibili nila tayo
Yung matcha mismo.
yung good quality na matcha powder.
Yeah.
Tapos almond mix naman milk natin sa bahay.
Tao.
Pachinko. Kaya pakitaan naman.
Di ba minsan may yung mga
Pait pala na ito.
gumagawa ng video, puro maliliwanag yung pinapakita.
Oo. May kinakausap na random na ano.
Oo. Pero ito parang,
Yung mga, where are you from?
oo. Meron nga Pinoy. Ito, Japanese sushi.
Pala, oh.
Ito hindi natin napuntahan.
Naside.
Oo. Pero hindi. Saan tayo nagpunta kahapon? Hindi ba Shinjuku yun?
Mahaba yun. Mahaba yung Shinto.
Yeah, kaya nga. Kung saan
Hindi
yung
pa rin
ano?
enough. Ay, meron pa rin dito. Jaga Philippines. May camera.
Para kay Carla.
Yung baby si Julian.
Oh.
Abit na kaya. Thomas and Friends.
Oh, yan.
Ikaw ka, Care Bear.
Pero parang mas may chance na makakuha ka dito nung hinahanap mo. Yung miniature na product.
Nauso yung dati, di ba?
Yeah. Fidget spinner. Sino naman alis? Ah, si Sheila!
May magsesebu. Hindi ko alam, may magsesebu ba dyan?
Ah, hindi ba nakaalis na?
Magsesebu na naman si Carla.
Kailan?
Ah, Iloilo pala.
Kailan?
Ah, si Sheila.
Si Sheila magko-Korea.
Naglalakad kami sa Shinjuku.
Gumawa na lang ng group sa ano, yung mag-i-Indonesia.
Ah, sige. Para ikaw na yung makipag-usap.
Oo. Na-download ko na yan pero hindi ko pa pinapanood.
Bakit? Sino yung mga bagong characters?
Mga TV series na yan eh.
Masyado ng marami.
Yeah.
Alam, ay, pag yung itsura na kasi animation. So, pag yung itsura ni BB-8, so cute.
Next year, Disneyland.
May 3D. Yung Star Wars.
Yun nga yung nakita na natin kahapon pero hindi pa natin inano.
tayo sa loft kahapon na malaki. Hello! Nasa TV na po kami! Binidyo mo ba? Pinicturan mo?
Video. Pinicturean mo na, di ba?
Nasa TV na po kami.
Walang autofocus.
Gusto mo yung dati lahat naka-ano?
May GoPro. Gina? Saka na. Problemado na nga tayo sa luggage.
Bakit? Di mo naman yung dadalhin yung box eh. Ito na mismo, tapos gagamitin mo na agad.
Yung waterproof case.
Ay! Gagamitin natin yan sa Bali. Diba?
Pabili tayo kay JC.
Abangan natin sa Black Friday.
Yeah.
Hello po!
Kumaway ka ulit. Platform 16. Elevator. Yun o, sakto. Sila ng ambulance. Ayun o, may parang nakalagay. Is it this?